In this video, I'm going to share my favorite PLR sites with you and talk about the 3 best PLR websites for high quality downloads. Hey everyone, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and you may have seen some PLR videos from me before. In fact, a PLR video is one of my most popular videos on this channel, so I know that a lot of you probably subscribed because of that. And I just realized recently that I haven't made this video yet, so I wanted to shoot it and get it out there just so I can let you know what my favorite PLR sites are and go into a little bit of detail about why I like them versus the competition, and how you can make the most out of using them. So first of all, if you don't know what PLR is, PLR means private label rights, and it refers to products such as ebooks and video courses and articles and checklists, things like that, that you can buy and then basically treat as if you created them. It's not exactly like that, but pretty much private label rights mean that you can, usually when you buy them, you'll actually get a document that tells you exactly what you can do, but kind of standard PLR rights are that you can edit and rebrand them as your own, or you can just resell them as they are. You can use them to build a list, you can give them away as a lead magnet, and when you actually buy PLR, you'll get a document telling you exactly what you can do with it, because each website has slightly different rights. Alright, so let's get things started with PLR-ME. This is PLR-ME. It's probably my favorite PLR website. It's the kind of the one that I spend the most time browsing and the one that I'm most likely to go to first when I need to buy something. And the reason for that is that they really focus on quality, I think, more than any other PLR creator. And they also are regularly adding a lot of new products. So you're kind of, they don't necessarily touch on as many different categories as some of the other websites on the list. But if you are looking for something that they carry, then you're more likely to find something specific that you're looking for that's going to be recent on this website. So that's why I like PLR-ME. You'll find the link to PLR-ME in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you actually get 10 free credits. So let's just take a quick look at their pricing system so that you understand what that means. And actually, the cool thing about PLR-ME is that just for signing up and creating a free membership, just for being a free member on their site, you get 2 free credits a month, and you can use those 2 free credits to download inexpensive products like checklists, reports, articles, and that's a really good way to kind of get a feel for whether or not the larger packages that those products are a part of are what you're looking for. And like I said, if you sign up using my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description of this video, you get an additional 10 free credits, which is enough to download a more expensive product and really find out whether or not this website is something that you want to spend money on. So I really recommend, if you're looking for PLR, if you're looking for some free PLR, or if you're looking to purchase PLR, that you check out PLR-ME. And of course, I recommend using my affiliate link. I really appreciate it if you do that, and you get something out of it too. You get 10 free credits. So let's take a quick look at just the products that they carry. They don't have quite as many categories as the other 2, I think, that I'm going to show you. However, they still have a lot of categories, as you can see here. These are just their popular categories. They've got anxiety, depression, and panic attacks, confidence, business and marketing, career and job, dating and relationships, goal setting and achievement, inspirational graphics and wallpapers, meditation, money management, motivation, natural health and safety, parents and family, self-improvement, savings, investing, stress management, success, wealth and prosperity, time management, procrastination, weight loss and fitness, and they've got more. And the types of products that they have include action guides, handouts, and lead magnets, which are some of my favorite ones. And you can usually get those for 1 or 2 credits, so that's a good one that's a good type of product to download with your free credits. If you only have 2, like with your monthly credits. They've got affirmation reflections. They've got articles and blog posts. They've got courses, coaching programs, and workshops, which I think you can probably get for your 10 free credits that you get when you sign up with my link. Checklists, fables and short stories, reports and ebooks, slide deck presentations, and worksheets. And their worksheets are really nice too. And those make really good lead magnets, I think, because a lot of people like it when you give them something that they can work with. And anyways, I was going to show you the pricing, I guess, or kind of show you how their credit system works. So here we have what are credits, here's how credits work and what you can get with your download credits. So pay-as-you-go credits with no subscription are $2.20 each. But if you sign up for a subscription, or if you sign up for if you buy a package of credits, then of course you get a discount, you get them for a lot less. And here's what you can get with your credits. So like I was saying, articles, affirmations, wallpapers, checklists, worksheets, these are all 1 credit. Action guides and fables are 2 credits. And then we have everything else going up from there. Facebook ads, I've used some of their Facebook ads in the past. They are good quality, and they come with both the text and the image that you need for the Facebook ad. Coaching challenges, I also used, what I did was I got a pack of Facebook ads, and I got a pack of a coaching challenge, and I ran it as a Facebook ad with an opt-in for people to do the coaching challenge. And here's just a few examples of some of their covers, some of the products that you can get. And here is, I guess, all of their categories. I mean, so look at this. I mean, I was just saying they don't have a lot of categories compared to the other ones. So obviously, I think I would correct myself and say they do have a lot of categories. They just don't have quite as many categories as the next one I'm going to show you, which is called IDPLR. But anyway, so that is PLRME. Again, if you use my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description of this video, you get 10 free credits, which, as we saw, is enough to get some really good products and to get a feel for whether or not this is going to be the type of stuff that's going to be helpful to you in your business. And so this is IDPLR. IDPLR kind of gets a bad reputation. I'm not exactly sure why. Their website is kind of slow, so maybe that rubs people the wrong way. They're not the most responsive if you reach out to them, so maybe that rubs people the wrong way. But I've seen people calling this website a scam, and it's 100% not a scam. First of all, you buy it through ClickBank, and like ClickBank would not let them be registered if they were a scam. And also, I've purchased their lifetime membership, and other people have purchased it through my link and not refunded. And you just get a ton of really good free products from them, and their lifetime deal is ridiculously high value. And they actually, another thing I've seen people say is that they don't have any new products, and that's absurd because they do. If I go here to resources and I just click on latest 100 products, and this is one of the things that I actually really like about IDPLR, is they put dates on when everything is published. So not only do they have recent, see, published the 8th of June, 2021. Today is the 22nd of June, so their most recent products are just a couple weeks old. And it's not just that they're publishing content regularly, they're publishing relevant content regularly. Like YouTube advertising and AI for entrepreneurs, those are really hot topics right now. If I were to, like, these are both private label rights, so I could download these right now because I have the lifetime membership to their site, and I could run ads on Facebook giving these away as lead magnets, and I guarantee you people would opt in for those because these are really relevant topics that a lot of people are talking about right now. And but I could also, because they're private label rights, I could download them and rewrite them. So IDPLR actually has a lot of good stuff going on, and they also have a ton of free products. So if we just go to free ebooks right here, they have a massive amount of free products. And this one right here, they don't have a whole lot of recent free products. Most of them are older, but this book right here, The Warrior Marketer, is a really good book. This is actually the first thing that I did when I found IDPLR is I went to their free products and I downloaded The Warrior Marketer because it was their most recent free product, and I read the whole thing. And the reason I read the whole thing wasn't because I wanted to read the whole thing. It's because it's a good book. And it's like, it's relevant to me because I am a martial artist and a marketer. And so it's actually very, like, I'm basically the target market for that book, and I really enjoyed it. So these are very good educational products, and you can get an amazing lifetime deal on this website if you use my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description. And this is the third and final website that we're going to look at today. It's PLR Products, and PLR Products is maybe not updated as often as the other two, and it doesn't look quite as nice as the other two. Like when you look at, if I go to, let's just go to marketing and affiliate marketing, see, like they don't do a great job of displaying their thumbnails and stuff, but they do have a lot of good products, like a lot of different stuff. If I go to business, look at all these different things that they have. I mean, they even have stuff on domain flipping. They've got PLR on domain flipping. They've got all these different marketing categories. They've got personal niches, from cryptocurrency down to relationships and self-improvement, weight loss, all this different stuff. They've got articles. They even have software and videos. And some of the other, or rather PLR.me does not have videos. They only really have kind of written content and visual content. Whereas IDPLR does have, they do have videos. They do have video courses that you can get, but most of their videos are master resale rights instead of private label rights. So there's just a little bit less that you can do with them. But so basically, I would recommend going for PLR.me first, and if you can't find what you want here, then check out IDPLR. I mean, I think IDPLR is worth getting anyways, just so that you can have the lifetime license and you can check out what they publish every month, and you can download it if you want it. Like that's basically how I use that license. Whereas PLR.me, I use my free credits every month, and if I really need something specific, then I come here first, and then if I need something else specific, I'll come here and look, and then if I can't find it, I'll come to PLR Products. And that's kind of how I use those three websites, and how I think that you can get the most out of using them as well. And now we're coming to the end of the video, and if you've made it this far, I just want to give you a little bonus, a little tip, because if you're looking at using PLR, it's probably because you want to write something without having to do all the writing yourself, or it's probably because you want to, have a document that you can use instead of having to write it yourself or having to write it all yourself. And if that's the case, then I've got a really good tip for you. AI copywriting software is becoming really popular right now. You saw on IDPLR, one of their most recent ebooks is on AI for entrepreneurs, and one of the best ways to use artificial intelligence in your business and in your marketing is with AI copywriting software. So there's going to be a link in the description to where you can get a 10,000 credit, which is 10,000 words of writing, free trial to my favorite AI copywriting software. And I highly recommend checking that out. You can use it to write instead of using PLR. You can use it to rewrite the PLR that you buy, or you could even use it to write your own PLR and start a PLR store if that's what you wanted to do. So check that out, sign up for a free trial, and if you want to grab a great deal on one of the PLR websites, please use my affiliate links. I really appreciate that. And if you need to get some PLR, I highly recommend using one of the three websites, especially start with PLR.me, start with the free credits, and go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.